Well, here I am again. Caught about 3 or 4 more small perch. They've been doing a good number of my minnow population. It's dwindling rather quickly. The wind seems to be picking up a little bit. It's still nice and toasty though in here with my little heater. I'll give you a little more light there, open the window up. Had about 4 more people come out here, set up the houses around me. Hopefully they won't catch all the fish on me. But yeah, the bite's kind of slowed down a little bit now, but I'm hoping to pick up again. Just had to put new minnows on both my lines because the last crew I caught took all the minnow off of it when I caught them. Oh, we're getting a bite over here again. There, he's taking it down, 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 down. Ooh, it's a good one. And we're going to set the hook. Ooh, we got a good fight on this one. Yeah, we'll keep that one, I think. Oh crap, I got one on the other line too. Oh, I missed the other one. We'll reset the line over there. Yeah, I gotta... Yeah, maybe we won't keep that. He is actually pretty small. Back down the hole he went. The other one really took the water good and hard. I think it was a big one and I missed him, unfortunately. But we get the line back down there. Maybe he'll come back for 4 seconds. Alright, anyhow. That's the one I missed over there. Let's see. Jig the line here a little bit. See if we can't get him to come back and take it again, huh? That's the way it is. When I'm looking at one, the other one goes down on me. Let me get another bite over here, maybe. Oh, I see that? Here. Going down. And we'll try to catch another one here. And got him. Oh, no, that's what I'm talking about. These are the fish we're talking about. Catch a few more like that, I'll be really happy. Nope, got one on the other line now. And I missed him, and he got my minnow. So I want to rebait, get my lines back down, and I'll talk to you again in a little while.